What's up, investors? It's Mike from MJF Invest. Today's video is going to be about Evogene, ticker symbol EVGN. Before I get into that, please hit that like button. An early thumbs up really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe for future content. Hit the bell notification so you're notified when I upload new content. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so do all your own research. It's ultimately your decision whether you want to buy any of the stocks I talk about on this channel. And let's talk stocks in the comment section. All right, guys, my vision for the channel really is to be part of your research. Like when you're doing your due diligence, I make these videos maybe just so you could, you should continue to dig deeper and make sure that these type of investments are for you. I mainly talk about stocks that are going to move a lot, that are going to be volatile. And I'm really looking for stocks that are going to have high upside. And with that approach, there's going to be some risk involved. Evogene is a company. It's a young company. ARK owns about 500,000 shares in their genomics fund, in ARKG. So what I'm looking at, I was just doing some research. I've been looking into this company for about a month now. And now it's starting to, like, the big picture starting to form. And I wanted to put a video out there. And see, if you guys like this, if you're seeing it the same way that I do. So Evogene at a glance. What Evogene does is they're revolutionizing life science products to develop and utilize cutting-edge computational biology technologies. Their technology, the CPB platform, is computational predictive biology, incorporating deep scientific understandings together with big data and advanced artificial intelligence technologies to unlock the hidden value of biology. Their solutions to direct and accelerate the discovery and development of products based on the following core components: MicroBoost AI, ChemPass AI, and GeneRator AI. This company looks like it has pretty good technology from all my findings, and the main target end markets is why it's so attractive to me is because it's a broad range in sectors I think are going to do very well going forward. Human health, okay, the microbe-based therapies for immuno-oncology, which is a $243 billion market projected for 2026. For inflammatory bowel disorder, which incredibly is a $22.4 billion market projected for 2026. Irritable bowel syndrome, $3.3 billion. And this is where it gets really interesting to me. The medical cannabis industry is projected to be $64 billion by 2024. And they're also targeting the agriculture with ag biologicals, which is a $13.4 billion market projected for 2024. Ag chemicals, a $70 billion market by 2022. And seed traits, a $37.5 billion market by, a $37.5 billion market. So you could see here the markets that they're targeting are big markets, very exciting stuff. And this is a young company. The business model for the company is they plan on doing this with collaboration, joint development with leading companies for defined products using Evogene solutions and their subsidiaries. Establishment of independent entities focusing on a defined commercial field with an exclusive license to use the CPB platform. Their strategic partners. This is one that really stuck out to me right here. Bayer. It's nice to see when small companies have big partners. That's something I definitely look for. It's like kind of like proof. It's like validation in a sense. To see a big successful company work with or use a smaller company, especially one that you're speculating and projecting, because an investment in this company today is really a projection of what it could do, right? Because it's early on in the company, as we could see here with the amount of employees, and that's including their subsidiaries. And we'll get into those in a minute. So make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. I'm going to cover a lot. And you see here they have 120 employees, including their subsidiaries. So it's a small company. And that consists of 74% for research and development with 40 doctors. They're in a cash position as of June the 30th, 2020, with 38.1 million listing. With their cash as of June 30th, 2020, is $38.1 million. And we're touching on it. They're a small company. Life science product development challenges. There's a high cost with a long time to market and low probability of success, particularly in ag chemicals and pharmaceuticals. So, they're looking to reduce the cost, shorten the time to market, and increase the probability of success. That's what they're trying to do. They feel like their opportunity is in human health, agriculture, and industrial applications. To utilize comprehensive and integrated computational biology to sustainably increase the probability of success while reducing the time and cost of life science products and development, like we just touched on. When biology meets disruptive technologies, they're introducing the CPB platform, which is incorporating deep scientific understandings together with big data and advanced artificial intelligence technologies, seeking to successfully discover and develop novel life science-based products. And this is kind of what's drawn me to them, this particular platform. It's pretty interesting technology, and they're telling you now for discovery, it's a computational selection of the most promising candidates to initiate the product development process. And then in development, the computational-driven solution addressing optimization, development challenge for the selected candidates, supporting the way successful commercialization. So again, interesting stuff, very fascinating. They think it's tailor-made solutions for product development. With these 3 steps, microbes, small molecules, and genetic elements, the CPB platform provides tailor-made solutions for discovery and development for life science products based on the following 3 core components. So microbes, small molecules, and genetic elements. And this is what they use. We mentioned MicroBoost, ChemPass, and GeneRator a little bit earlier in the video. The business model. This is how they plan on making their money. Product and development through collaborations. Joint development with leading companies for defined products utilizing Evogene's unique solutions. Later stage development and commercialization of the product will likely be done by the partner. The potential revenue for Evogene is licensing and research payments, milestone payments, and revenue sharing. Here they have their partners like DuPont, Monsanto, Syngenta, and Bayer. Those are big companies, guys. So that's pretty exciting stuff. Also, step 2 is product development through subsidiaries to establish independent entities focusing on the defined commercial field with an exclusive license to use Evogene's unique solutions for product development. The subsidiary may develop and commercialize products independently or through strategic collaborations. Potential revenue for Evogene, licensing and research payments, consolidated revenues, and dividends, which are subject to profits generated by the subsidiaries. And you look here, subsidiaries are AgPlentis, Biomeca, Canonic, Castera, and Lavi Bio. Now, I just took a little bit of a look at some of these subsidiaries. I'm going to switch over here to Biomeca, which is their microbiome-empowered therapeutics. This company has a pretty good pipeline, especially in immuno-oncology. Pretty interesting. Recent evidence supports the role of the microbiome in response to cancer therapy and specifically demonstrate the effect of the intestinal microbiome on the response to immune checkpoint inhibitors, including protein, Ligland-1. Emerging data from the research in this area suggests that the modulation of the intestinal microbiome may provide a novel and effective adjunct mean to augment these current anti-cancer therapeutic modalities. Using our computational analysis and predictive capabilities, we identified BMC121 and BMC127 consortia with potential to enhance immuno-oncology, therapeutic responses, and facilitate anti-tumor immune activity. I also pulled up their other subsidiaries as well to keep the video brief, because I know, this could get long and boring and drawn out. The other subsidiaries look pretty good too, specifically the Canonic, the medical cannabis one is from Israel. So if you wanted to take a look into that, those are the companies, those are their subsidiaries. Pretty interesting stuff, and they look pretty good. I wanted to get this company on your radar. I will be doing videos in the future about this company. This could be a reference point to catch you up in the future when I make videos about it in news, when I do updates. So, I just wanted to present it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Is there any value here? Am I out of my mind? I think this is pretty good. I'm going to take a position here. It's pretty exciting. Genomics has a big future. And the fact that they're, in so many markets and markets that I think are going to be big, is what attracts me. ARK Invest put this on my radar. So, do what you will with that information. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for future content. Let's talk stocks down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching, guys.